Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to connecting with women on a deeper level? Well, it's not really about magic. It's about communication. Today, we're exploring how two powerful words can transform your interactions with women, helping you build genuine connections that leave a lasting impression. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to use these words effectively and respectfully. Section 1. The power of words. Words have a way of shaping how people perceive us, especially in relationships. The right words, spoken with authenticity, can build trust, spark attraction, and deepen connections. Why words matter? Women often value emotional intelligence and thoughtful communication. The misconception. Many believe attraction is all about appearance or material possessions, but it's your words that often leave the strongest impact. Transition line. So, what are these two words that can work wonders? Let's reveal the first one. Section 2. The first word, I understand. The first word, or phrase in this case, is I understand. It's not just about saying it, it's about truly meaning it. Empathy is attractive. Women appreciate when they feel understood. Saying I understand during a conversation shows you're actively listening and valuing her perspective. Examples in action. When she shares a problem, I understand how that must feel. It sounds really challenging. During a disagreement, I understand why you'd feel that way, and I want to work through this together. Pro tip: use this phrase with sincerity. If it's forced, it'll come across as insincere, which can backfire. Section 3. The second word, imagine. The second word is imagine. This word is a game changer because it opens up possibilities and engages her emotions and creativity. Why it works? Imagine invites someone to picture an exciting or positive scenario. It shifts the focus from logical thinking to emotional engagement, which is where attraction often grows. Examples in action. On a first date, imagine us exploring a hidden beach together someday. Wouldn't that be amazing? In a playful context, imagine how fun it'd be to try something adventurous like skydiving together. Building connection. Imagine if we could create something meaningful together. Pro tip: pair imagine with a warm tone and eye contact. This makes the moment feel personal and genuine. Section 4. When and how to use these words. Now that you know the words, let's talk about timing and delivery. Knowing when and how to use them is just as important as the words themselves. Active listening is key. Before saying, I understand, make sure you've actually heard her out. Ask follow-up questions to show you're engaged. Setting the scene for imagine. Use it during lighthearted moments or when you want to inspire curiosity and excitement. It's a great way to add a spark to conversations. Common mistakes to avoid. Overusing these phrases, balance is crucial. Using them without genuine interest, authenticity is everything. Section 5. The bigger picture, building connections, 3 minutes. Narrator. At the core of these two words is something bigger, the desire to build real connections. Women are drawn to men who make them feel heard, valued, and inspired. Confidence and vulnerability. Using these phrases effectively shows you're confident, yet willing to be vulnerable. That's a combination most women find irresistible. Beyond the words, pair your words with actions. If you say, I understand, back it up by supporting her feelings. If you say, imagine, take steps to bring those scenarios to life. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about showing up as your authentic self and using these words to connect in a meaningful way. So, the next time you're in a conversation, try saying, I understand, or using imagine to paint a vivid picture. You might just be surprised at how powerful they can be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into building better relationships. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to phrase for creating a connection? See you next time.